Navajo weaving is one of America's oldest and most respected art forms. For 32 years, Jackson Clark, the owner of Toh-Atin Gallery in Durango, Colorado, and his family have sponsored an annual silent auction and sale of Navajo rugs to benefit the University of Colorado Museum of Natural History. We're back for the 33rd year on Saturday, November 3rd from 9:30 until 5. The event will be in the Denver Post lobby, featuring over 150 authentic Navajo weavings, both old and new, with prices ranging from $100 to $10,000. You'll also see some beautiful Native American jewelry. At 1 o'clock, Jackson will give a talk on the history of regional Navajo weaving styles. During the day, restoration expert Ben LaRue will give free repair and cleaning estimates on your weavings, and Jackson will provide free informal evaluations of your weavings. Please join us on Saturday, November 3rd. You'll find the opportunity to get great deals on quality Navajo weavings and jewelry that support these amazing artists. We'll see you there.